Hello, everyone, and thank you for the introduction. I'll jump to the end of this. There is a demonstration in the back of the Innovation Lab where you can see the robots running around and sorting things. But let's start by talking about what it is. It's a unit and parcel sortation system that's different from any other one you've ever seen before. The systems of the past have been large, monumental, fixed-track things that take a year and a half to implement. They cost millions of dollars. They're inflexible. You can't change them. You can't do different things with them. It takes an act of Congress to expand them or reconfigure them. So what we're doing is we are accomplishing the same thing those systems have done in the past with a swarm of autonomous robotic vehicles. And there's a little video here that'll run. In the video, you will see robots moving around, and operators are inducting items onto these robots, and the robots then sort them out to end destinations. And this can be used for store replenishment to the shelf. It can be used for e-commerce order fulfillment, and it's very different from what you've seen in the past. This system is very flexible, and they can do a wide variety of goods and different things. It also is modular and scalable. We can add robots, we can add tables, we can change the system. We can make it fit the space that you have in your warehouse or even the back room of a store to accommodate your needs. An interesting thing is the system's portable. You can pick up any one of these systems you see in these videos and move it over the course of a weekend to a different building. That's something that never could have been done in the past. Lastly, the deployment is very quick. We can have one of these up and running in a matter of a few months as opposed to a year or more. So T-Sort allows you to automate the processes that have been in place today for order fulfillment. Everyone knows about the difficulty of getting labor today and retaining that labor and having enough workers to accomplish your order fulfillment processes. By automating, you can eliminate some of that labor, but at the same time increase the accuracy and the service levels associated for that order fulfillment process. With our system, we can do things like glass candles, shoe boxes, footwear, apparel, cylindrical with round things, a lot of things that traditional systems have not been able to do. The automation also interfaces very well with other goods demand systems and robotic induction. Whoop, went the wrong way. Okay, the primary uses for retailers today are to use the system for e-commerce fulfillment. And imagine, if you will, in a distribution center, you can go and pick hundreds or thousands of orders for individual e-commerce orders and then sort them out using the system. We also use it for store replenishment, going to dozens or hundreds of stores in a facility. And we can put the system into large facilities, we can put it into small facilities. We even have an operation where we put it into the back room of a store. So think about the ecosystem we just talked about, where we could do distribution centers, fulfillment centers, and back rooms. Then, the interesting thing about our system that no one's ever done before is used it at the local market. So when we talk about the back room or a localized distribution center, imagine workers picking hundreds of orders, and one person goes to menswear, one person goes to women's, children's, general merchandise, etc. And they're batch picking hundreds of orders for buy online, pick up in store, and local e-commerce fulfillment. We can use our system in the back room of a supercenter or a mall anchor store or in a localized hub to do that order processing. We also can sort the inbound product. For example, think about the material comes in for the store, but it's not sorted by aisle nor department. On the inbound side, we can sort all those goods out to the individual aisle or location in the store. So the system allows you to meet the challenges of today in the omni-channel arena. It allows you to improve your service for your customers with the ultimate goal of delighting your customers and improving where you stand. So we're in booth 7142, like we said before. It's in the very back over there. And there's a demonstration system of the robots running there. Thank you very much.